Use a screwdriver to remove the 6 tack glides on the bottom of the case piece. Place the unit near its final position, but far enough away from the wall to access the cabinet's back. Remove the temporary shipping support crossbar. Place the fridge in front of the unit. Make sure all leveling feet on the fridge are all the way down. Slide the fridge into the unit. In the back of the cabinet, you will need to pre-drill the holes where the screws will go through the 4 vertical slots. Using a number 8 1 5/8 inch Phillips self-driving screw and a 1 1/4 fender washer, fasten the refrigerator to the back of the cabinet. Plug in the refrigerator and push the whole unit flush to the wall. For the next steps, you can reference pages 44 and 45 in the True Refrigeration Install Guide. Open the door and peel off the rubber gasket. From the front of the door, use a 1/8 inch bit to drill pilot holes through the door front. Visually align and center the wood panel with the fridge door. Clamp the panel in place and make any necessary adjustments. Mark a few holes on the bracket mount. Pre-drill the holes and attach using 6 number 8 1/2 inch wood screws. Do not fully tighten your screws when using the drill. Close and check that the door is sitting flush to the drawer height and looks even along the sides. If everything looks good, hand tighten the screws the rest of the way. For the gasket mounting, use 4 number 8 1 1/4 inch wood screws. Press the rubber gasket back into place when complete, and make sure it is fully sealed. Close the door and make sure the gasket sits flush against the fridge. Attach the magnetic kick plate on the bottom of the fridge. Attach the stone top using double-sided tape. Use shims to make sure the top is flush on all sides.